Okay guys, hey, welcome to part 5. So last time I went through those, so today we're going to go through this organizer. Okay, so this one houses my Natasha Denona and also my Luna Beauty. So we'll start with the Natasha Denona. The first one I have here is the bronze palette. These are the only ones I've ever got from Natasha Denona because they're the only ones I can afford. No, but these are obviously her cheaper palettes. These range for about from like $100 to like $115 or something. But anyway, this is the bronze palette. It's really beautiful. Her palettes are so expensive, but I really do love the quality. I think they're amazing. Then we have the Love palette. This one's really pretty. It's not my favorite palette in the world, like the color scheme. Like, I think it's gorgeous, but I think I just bought it because it was like the first Natasha Denona palette that I ever bought, and I think I was just excited, to be honest. But it's still a beautiful palette nonetheless. It's just not really my color scheme. This one's probably my favorite. This is the Sunrise palette, and I just love this one. I feel like you guys can really tell my vibe. It's more like the oranges, the pinks, the yellows, greens, blues, you know. But yeah, I really love this one palette. It's gorgeous. And I really like this one too. This is the Glam palette, and I just think this is so gorgeous. I think it's definitely like the cool tones. But yeah, I love this. I think it's absolutely stunning, and yeah, love that one. Alright, then I have my Luna Beauty palettes. So first I have Moon Spell, and I just love the packaging of this. Like, I just think that's so cool. Anyway, this is the Moon Spell palette, and I did really like this one. I can remember straight off the bat that I had trouble with the Sabrina shade, like it just being super patchy and yeah, being a bit weird. But apart from that, the palette's gorgeous. I love the color story, and yeah, everything else is really nice. I really can't wait to use this one again. And then we have the Greek Goddess palette from Luna Beauty. This one's beautiful. This is much more neutral. But yeah, I really love this one, and yeah, I just love the whole vibe of the Luna Beauty packaging and everything. I really wish he would come out with more, because I actually do really like his brand. I feel like he just doesn't have a whole lot on offer. But anyway, those are the ones in the organisers. So now we're going to go into the drawers, and then we will be finished my full makeup collection. Okay, so this is where all the rest of my eyeshadow palettes live, in these 3 drawers. I feel like, I honestly feel like I should just get them all out and just sit down and talk through them again. No, I'll just do it like this. Alright, first we have the Certify the Tropical Wonders palette. This palette is absolutely stunning. I love it so much. It's obviously all matte, but I honestly don't care because I think it's just so beautiful. It's such a beautiful palette. Next I have my Kimchi Juicy Chocolate Melt palette. This one's really cute. I really love like the little decorations. And it's obviously, yeah, just quite a neutral palette, but I really like it. I think it's super sweet. I have quite a few Huda Beauty ones. I just realised I'm missing my green neon. Where could that have possibly gone? I'm very confused right now. Where would that be? Anyway, I'll go through them. So first I have the Nude Light from Huda Beauty. I love this palette. It's absolutely stunning. We have the Nude Medium. I really love this whole little nude range. I think they're beautiful. The Nude Obsessions. They're so gorgeous. Yeah, that's medium. And then we have Nude Rich, which looks like that. I love it. Guys, did I get rid of my neon green one? Would I have done that? Maybe I did. I don't know. I'm so confused. I need to like go through my declutters. Anyway, this is the neon pink one from Huda Beauty. It's stunning. And then we also have the neon, what one is this called? I think this is just like the orange. The Neon Orange Obsessions. It's absolutely stunning. I love it. Guys, I'm really stressed right now. I must have decluttered it, but why would I do that? Did I not like it? I can't really remember, guys. I don't know. Maybe I just decluttered it. I don't know. Anyway, I have all of the gemstone, is that what they were called? Gemstone Obsessions? Maybe? I don't know. Anyway, I have Sapphire, which is absolutely stunning. I remember when these first came out and I lost my mind over them. I was so obsessed and yeah, so in love with them. We have Amethyst. And yeah, I dropped like $250 on them. Topaz. Topaz is really pretty. We have the Emerald Obsession, which is stunning. You guys know I love a green palette. And then we have the Ruby Obsessions, which is actually really, really pretty. I really like that. It's very nice. And then I have the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions, which looks like that, which is very pretty. Then over this side I have the Fenty Beauty Snap Shadows, and see I had more of these. I must have decluttered them, but I just don't know why. But anyway, this is the Snap Shadow. This is number 5 Peach from Fenty Beauty. It's a cute little palette. Alright, I've got the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde. I really want to use this palette again because it is really stunning. It's such a pretty palette. I find that I like the mini palettes formula a lot better than the bigger palettes, but I did quite like the Mercury Retrograde. So, and then I've got a couple from Anastasia back here. Guys, I'm so confused. I must have like got rid of so many of my eyeshadow palettes. Why did I get rid of so many of my eyeshadow palettes? Okay, this is the Carly Bible palette. I absolutely love this. I think it's stunning. It's such a beautiful palette. So sad that it was limited edition, but anyway, it's beautiful. Then I have my Amrezy palette, which is stunning. So pretty. And then I have like my 2 staples. This is like one of my all-time favorite eyeshadow palettes. This is the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. It's amazing. And then we have the Anastasia Modern Renaissance, which looks like that. Okay. I'm actually, as soon as I finish filming, I'm going inside to watch my declutter videos and see if I did just get rid of a heap of them. If I did though, I'm just so confused. Like, a few of those palettes I liked. Like, I liked the Riviera palette. I know I didn't use it, so maybe that's why. Maybe it was a moment where I was feeling a bit stronger. Past me, you're silly if you got rid of them. Alright, so that's the first drawer done. So now we'll go down to the second drawer. Let's have a look. I really like this palette actually. This is the Too Faced Born This Way, the Natural Nudes palette. I think it's beautiful. Yeah, I really like this palette. It's super nice, and it's one of the best Too Faced eyeshadow formulas that I've ever tried. I think it's really good. We have the Tarte Toasted palette. I do quite like this one as well. I feel like this was such like a classic back in the day, but honestly it's so boring now, isn't it? And I feel like really rude saying that, but it's just not, it's not what the vibes are about anymore, I guess. I have a couple of the Jaclyn Hill palettes. See, I must have got rid of one of them, which is random. And the one I got rid of, I think I liked. What am I doing? I'm so weird. Anyway, okay, we have the Bling Boss palette, which is that one there. The Dark Magic palette, which is absolutely stunning. So pretty. And then the Armed and Gorgeous palette, which is beautiful. And then, yeah, I don't know where the red one is, but like, from memory, the red one was really nice. So why did I get rid of that? I'm so confused. And then the last palette in here is the You're So Money Baby palette from Kylie, which looks like this. It's actually a really cool palette. I do really like that. I need to use that again. It's very pretty. Okay, and then onto the last drawer. Okay, I've only got a few in here. So this one is from Makeup Revolution. This is the Velvet Rose Reloaded palette. It's really pretty. Gosh, I don't even know if I'd ever reach for that again in my life, but this is the Revolution Pro palette, the new neutral. I love this palette. It's absolutely stunning, and the formula was really nice from memory. I think I really liked it. And then the last palette I have is also from Revolution, and it is the Forever Flawless Ice palette, which is actually really pretty. I really like that. But yeah, that is the rest of my eyeshadow palette. So thank you guys so much for watching. I need to go watch some declutter videos and see if I got rid of those eyeshadow palettes. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!